roule un peu les ENDURO là ou quoi là?
On my grind all day, gonna make a million son that someday. You know I'm in the rhythm when I write this way. Put me in the pound when I bite this game. Bitch, I'm an animal, eating these rappers, I swear I'm a cannibal. About to fulfill all my dreams, I'm a fiend. I've been plotting and scheming, this shit is obscene. I rise on fleek, what in the fuck does all that even mean? Seems like we're scared of how others perceive, but let me be straight up, this shit is for me. Me, this shit is for me. Bitch, verbatim, working all day, these games I'm playing. Killing every shitty rapper, motherfucker slam. Let them all know I'm about to win it when they bum my shit right now. Right now, ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with a sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now, ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with a sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now, on my grind all day, rap so good, better get so paid. I ain't from the hood, but I've got bad days, so I smoke all day to avoid all the pain. Management said I should sound OG.
Right about the time your homie OD. Here, we bought you a whole bag of weed, so you could sell loud and sound so motherfucking
goddamn high. All I do is smoke and I write these lines. In school and good grades where I fell behind, picking up the piece of paying back my time. Do I really wanna get this high? Do I really wanna write these rhymes? Do I really wanna be a fucking sellout? Do I really wanna take that route? Let me get a snapback, a chain, let me get it right now. Right now, ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with a sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now, ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with a sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now.
Microphone is not a wand. Bloody hell, these people want thumping system in the trunk. Trump go bang like the row in a bunch of sluts. Sluts go hey. I like it when you call us sluts. Well, sorry, girls, try to close your legs, then don't walk around advertising who you slept with. It's simple, really, plain silly if you ask me. But my generation loves jiggling the mass cheeks. Do it for the fine Snapchat, Twitter, IG. They're so real, won't you come equipped with IVs? Someone call the doctor, actually a nurse will do. On second thought, I know some nurses that be twerking too. At least check my temperature, I think I got the flu. If I count $1, won't catch a whole bet, I catch a few. I'm a beast, I'm a dog. So what's your motherfucking pride? Fuck a leash, fuck it all. Bet I can tutor you in souls. You still don't get it yet, it's out, but you ain't listen yet. Shit, you might have missed the steps, so catch yourself and check the next song I post. Link I tweet, pay attention when I speak. You really can't afford it, just ignore me anymore. I mean, I'm serious, your ears must not be hearing. It's been doing this for years, so I'ma show up with experience. Rookie of the year was me back when I was a little kid. Now I'm 23, just doing me, trying to figure this all out. Ball out, I'll stop when I'm all out of beats. When my heart doesn't beat, my art will speak. When I R.I.P., there's part of me that lives forever, might be made of diamonds. Thought that was pretty clever, mind your business, I'll be minded. Hey, get it, bitch? Nah, you ain't get it, bitch. Stupid ass fucks, always worried about silly shit. Meanwhile, businessmen trying to make these pennies flip. I'm trying to get mentioned with the legends in a tweet of 6 million in a couple minutes. Fucking up some comments, turning this into a one-on sentence. And I'm running with it all the way to the chase bank. Now I'm chasing cake, there's a chance that I might fake. These fat kids love cake, cause no one said a word about running shoes. You see me without a shirt, that must mean I fuck with you. Growing up with man boobs was always uncomfortable. My nightmare was a couple girls, me in a public pool. Now it's so fucking cool, my bitches in the friend zone. Did it to me until the day I was done with school. I know it's petty, but these bitches think I'm pretty now. About damn time someone let the pretty Michi out. I'm a beast, I'm a dog. So what's your motherfucking problem? Fuck a leash, fuck it all. Bet I can tutor you in songs. Grew up a screw up, got introduced to the game. Got announced and guess what? Didn't do much, so who want what? The crew run to the clearance track where everything is 2 for 1. I make music for fun, see I can do it.
chillin'. On my two-stroke, blowing blue smoke. Hit the black choke, two-stroke my detox. Kamikaze like Reeboks, hat back, I see Fox. Burners, no bike locks. FC my race shocks, we pace blocks, neck brace.